how to send a friend a gift from your shop in the Finchcare app. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to easily send a gift from the shop in your Finchcare app to one of your friends. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to our channel. To get started, we are just going to open up the Finchcare app, and in the bottom menu, we're going to select Shop. From here, you can select whether you want to send a furniture or outfit item. So from here, find and select the item that you want to send to a friend. Then it's going to load that item in your little birdhouse. From here, select Send Gift, and then just select Send next to the person that you want to send your gift to. From here, you can select different colors to customize your gift wrap, and you'll notice that it does cost 200 additional stones to send a gift. Keep in mind that you can only send one gift per person per day. Once you're ready to send your gift, select Send Gift, and you should get a pop-up confirming that you sent your gift. If you have multiple items from your shop that you would like to send to a friend, go ahead and select your item and purchase it for yourself. Check the links in the description for how to send an item from your bag to a friend, and you can easily send it on a different day. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to our channel.